Good day, folks. Today our friend Jake will show us how to fix a weak window type air conditioner. First is to open by removing the screws. You will observe that dust is overfull inside. Remove other parts though and cover what is inside. Wash materials that are filled with dust. Let them dry. While waiting, make an effort to remove the accumulated dust. Do it until you're satisfied. Assemble the air conditioner. Make sure that parts will be returned properly. There you go. It performs like brand new again. Thank you for watching, folks.